Hi guys, so for this video I am going to demo the Shades by Gal stick foundation, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I don't know, like demo it. Like remember I was telling you guys that I was going to try this foundation, and if I like it I'll let you know, but I decided to try it on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and yes, you're basically going to watch me put this on, and I'm going to see if I can remember, because I never remember, to do like a half and half, like half foundation, half no foundation, and then see how it goes. So the color that I'll be wearing is called Rich Bronze, and it has an SPF of 15. Alright, so let's just jump right into this. This is my Urban Decay Perfecting Complexion Primer Potion, so I'm going to apply this. If you guys can tell, but I've had a lot of breakout on this side, so sigh. So I'm just going to do my brows and then come back to you guys. Alright, so to see how I get these ombre red brows, just click the link in the description bar below, and yeah, because I have a tutorial on it. Okay, so now I'm going in with Rich Bronze. And I'm using Sedona Lace's 602 brush.
So I want you alone to preach Jesus Christ. All of the people them will beseech each and every one. Understand when me a teach. Yeah, me know. Me and the Lord go way back like a tape recorder.
So I like it. It is, as I said before in my foundation collection video, it is full coverage, and I'll link that video in the description bar below for you ladies as well. But yeah, it's full coverage, and I like it. I like it. So yeah, so I'm just going to continue applying this, and yeah.
At the age of me name and Jesus are my father, and him feed me and make me fat and me no maga, and he make me life so easy and it coulda harder. So anywhere me go, me big up for me Jaja, and him a give me strength like me phone pan a charger. I know me nah go left and go over the border, cause closer to me is the Lord more than my brother. He say seek the Lord before you die, He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep Him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die, He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't try. Any man deny the God, me no say him no sober. And Jesus Christ, me say I represent Jehovah, and nobody can make me come off of the road. And me have the Lord in me heart, and that me prouder. So turn up for me mic and make me chat it louder. And for me Lord Jesus Christ, me is a soldier. Pan Calvary cross, them drive nail through him and make him blood run like when you pull a soda. He say seek the Lord before you die, He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep Him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die, He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. You're gonna die. So seek the Most High and keep Him close by. Don't leave and don't try. And I said the word youth here, man, if you praise the Most High, Jesus Christ, you know. So take this opportunity for accept Him in your life, you know. Yeah, what me tell them, say, people, hear me now. Say, seek the Lord before you die, He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep Him close by. And me say, seek the Lord before you die, He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. Me say, seek the Lord before you die, He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most
Boysenberry, and of course it's by ShadesbyGal.
God bless. Praising God. I am wide we're praising God. Even the amazing God. Praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky where God is all I need. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them God is all I need. We don't need them, we gonna win. Lord will put his way.
Was the foundation which you guys saw, and this is in rich bronze, and I like it. As you can see, everything matches well. So what I think personally, a lot of things contribute to a really nice makeup look. I think the foundation is the foundation of an epic makeup application, mainly because it's called foundation for a reason. It's the very first thing that you put on. Yeah, so that being said, I really like this foundation. It is not as hydrating as the liquid one. As I said before, that I don't think this would be as hydrating, and it is not. It is really good for normal skin. If you have oily skin, you can also wear this combination in your T-zone, whatever your skin type is, you can definitely wear the stick foundation by ShadesbyGal. And again, I am in rich brown, so yeah, loved that. And also what so what's this here? Okay, so this contour, I call it contour kit, maybe foundation kit, contour highlighting kit. This bad boy is so pigmented. I mean, because remember I wore them as eyeshadow before, and it's just like, what the heck? Like, they're very pigmented. Like, a little goes a long way, and you have like the size of these, it will last you a really long time. I use this one to low light today, and this one as well, and I mean, yo, they're pigmented, they're very pigmented, so that's good. That's good that they're pigmented, so that means I don't have to use a lot, and it ends up lasting longer, and it lasts longer. Yeah. So yeah, that's the contour kit. I hope I'm calling it the proper word, but yeah, so that's that by ShadesbyGal. And last but definitely not least, the lipstick. And the lipstick I'm wearing is Boysenberry, and look at the sheen. I'm never one for lipsticks with sheen. I always love matte lipstick, but I'm not going to lie, this feels very smooth. My lips aren't dry. It's like matte, but not really. Matte meaning it's not slippery, right? That's it. It's not slippery any at all. It is really smooth feeling, and it really gives off a very nice sheen. So I really love that. Boysenberry, first time using it. I want to thank ShadesbyGal for sending me these items. I have been loving them, I have been using them, and yeah, I hope you guys do check them out. I'll leave their website and as well as a discount code in the description bar for you guys. And I don't know if I said this to you, but all month long, well, for the month of November 2014, I will be focusing on ShadesbyGal, mainly because it is a Jamaican brand. The owner is an amazing person, Grace Ann Long. Oh, her name is Grace Ann Long, so it's Gal, G-A-L, yeah. And you know that gal has like this derogatory kind of negative connotation in our culture, and she's taking that and making it into what? Beauty. I mean, just the psychology behind it is beautiful. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so that's basically it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and my little talking here and there, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay. Picture time.